Chapter 15 talks about speaking to inform. An informative speech is meant to convey the knowledge or understanding of a topic. Informative speeches can include explaining objects, events, processes, or even concepts. Explaining an object is anything tangible, visible, or stable in form, such as explaining how a blender would work. Explaining a process is explaining a systematic series of actions leading to a specific result, such as explaining how a magic trick would work. Explaining an event is anything that happens or is regarded as happening, such as explaining the Civil War, for example. Explaining a concept is explaining a belief, explaining a theory, an idea, a notion, a principle, etc. This would be explaining something such as true love. Guidelines are to personalize your ideas and be creative when speaking to inform. Chapter 5 talks about selecting a topic and a purpose. It's easy to select a topic by brainstorming or generating ideas by free association. Selecting a general purpose or the speech's broad goal is also important. A specific purpose is a single infinitive phrase. It also states what the speaker hopes to accomplish during the speech. Guidelines for selecting a specific purpose are making sure it's a full infinitive phrase, make sure it's a statement, not a question, avoiding figurative language, limiting your idea to one distinct idea, and most importantly, avoid being vague. Chapter 6 talks about analyzing the audience. We must keep our audience in the forefront of our minds during our speech preparation and presentation. Questions we can ask ourselves while preparation include, who am I speaking to? What do I want them to know? What do I want them to do? What do I want to believe as a result of this speech? And how can I best accomplish that? We should emphasize common values, goals, and experiences that we both have in common. Chapter 6 also talks about stereotyping. Stereotyping is an oversimplified image of a group, and this is done by assuming that all members in the group are alike. But we can't do that. We must also assess how the audience will respond to our speech, and we must adjust to clarify the speech to the audience. Thank you so much.